Did you know this is one of the most asked questions in the IELTS speaking test? Describe a person who has had a positive influence on your life. Today, you'll shadow a Band 8 model answer, repeat line by line, and train your ears, voice, and mind to speak clearly and emotionally, just like a high-scoring candidate. Let's start. Repeat each sentence after me. Cue card. Describe a person who has had a positive influence on your life. You should say who the person is, how you know them, what they did, and explain how they influenced you. Model answer with pauses. The person who has had a strong positive influence on my life is my high school English teacher, Mr. Harris. Pause. He was the kind of teacher who didn't just teach grammar and essays. He taught us how to think and believe in ourselves. Pause. I first met him when I was around 15, and I was struggling with self-confidence. Pause. Most teachers just focused on grades, but Mr. Harris took time to speak to me personally. Pause. He encouraged me to write, to speak up in class, and to challenge myself. Pause. One day he told me, "Your voice matters." Pause. That small sentence changed everything. Pause. Since then, I started entering public speaking contests and writing competitions. Pause. Now, even years later, I still carry that belief that my words matter. Pause. Mr. Harris helped me find the courage to be myself, and for that, I'll always be grateful. Pause. Now, let's talk about why this is a Band 8 answer and how you can use the same structure. White heavy checkmark first. It's emotional but clear. IELTS examiners value natural storytelling. It uses specific details, names, quotes, actions. Third, the grammar is rich, present perfect, past simple, and linking words like since then, even years later, and for that. And finally, the speaker sounds connected to the story. That's what makes your answer feel real, not memorized. Let's do your shadowing challenge. I'll ask the question. Pause the video. Speak out loud. Use real examples, and be specific. Describe a person who has had a positive influence on your life. Repeat this video 3 to 5 times this week. Each time, speak louder, clearer, and more naturally. That's how you build real fluency, not by memorizing answers, but by owning them. Want feedback? Drop your own answer in the comments. I'll pin the most natural or helpful one to inspire other learners. This is Echo Logic English. From practice to progress, let's keep growing.